say bye.
Me have to hurry up and send off the caller because according to what is going to happen next, them have to find out what happened to the man from Oz. Tell me where you are gonna miss if you left the world and give up. What is that sound? And give up Christmas. Who that? Can't see myself. Who that? Hello. This is Taffy Boy, Taffy Rudolph Adolphus Boy Jr. with my father upset. I was a fright. How did I get this? Why me can't see you? And what is this thing? It is a phone. Phone. And you are on video call. Video call. And I am from the future. And I come here to tell you something about your friend Job. What happened to Job? Hear what happened yesterday. Oh, you know what? Better if me just send you a video. It named Man from Oz Part 1. Okay. Watch it. You and your friend them, I go link them on the line. Okay. And share the video together and watch it, right? So, because you don't need to know this. Alright. Send it. Good morning, Daddy. Morning, Junior. I want one with Job and now, Daddy. Job. Job still a grieve, but he still a pray. I can only imagine. Daddy, it look like say sons of God them a gather up again, Daddy. Like them a go link the Lord. Wait there. Daddy a who that, Daddy? He look like one Satan, you know. Yo, Daddy, me not like this, you know. Daddy, last time he go up there, you know. Job name come up in a conversation, you know. Daddy. Yo, me not like how this look, you know. Well, too late for that. Same thing, Daddy. Oh, you know, here where the Lord has said to him, Daddy, gotta ask him how he feel about Job and now. Basically, he must say, you know, she said Job still perfect and upright. And he still hold on to his integrity, even though he make God move against him to destroy him without a cause. Job still a living life, good and pleasing unto the Lord. Satan say, skin for skin. Daddy, what is skin for skin? Him say, Job would have give up everything we him have to save him skin. Him no know Job, Daddy. I change him out, Satan, I change him out and now, Daddy. I say if God touch Job, flesh and him bone, him a go curse him to him face. And God agree if he put Job to the test again. Him tell Satan the Job in his hand, so he could have touch him. He shouldn't give him the permission. So Satan left, Daddy, and go straight at Job yard and go touch Job, you know, and so broke out all over Job body, you know, Daddy. All he do, you know, take him like his head top to his foot bottom, you know. Daddy, you don't know what Job do. Job creep off his skin. Oh, Daddy. Sit down in the ashes, Daddy. Then guess what now, no? The wife got a Job and the way how she see her husband and suffer. You know? He couldn't take it. She said to Job, then Job, you still have retained for your integrity. Curse God and dead man. Then Daddy, how comes Job lose everything but his wife still alive? First of all, Junior, me not too like how you ask me that the question there right after me say that. Daddy, me never mean nothing by it, Daddy. But why she have to tell him say? Anyway, Job respond to her, don't speak it like one of the foolish women. Then Daddy, I know said Job three friend them hear about it though. That a which three friend now, Joe? Me no to and try call up in friend them name, you know. You know want call it or you know want pronounce it. E, B and Z hear about it and decide say yo then have to go link Job. Cause a beer things are going down at Job yard. We have to go down the go on with him. Then no must. So then go down at Job yard now daddy. And guess what? You see when they see Job kinda far, they couldn't believe the eye. The man them feel Job pain, you know. Daddy. Then just bust out a ball. The three big man them just bust out a ball. I'll know me hear the story, me can't hardly imagine. Rough. And they tear up their mantle, daddy, and throw ashes upon themselves up in their ear. And you know what's strange, daddy? How they just sit down and not say nothing to drugs up in here. See, after 7 days and 7 nights, they just sit down there and not say a word. Pass it by.